phases of matter. Matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules. Molecules are made up of still tinier particles called atoms. Molecules can join together to form larger molecules. Molecules of matter are arranged differently in the different phases of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Matter exists in three phases: solid, liquid, and gas. Solids. In solids, the molecules are held firmly by the force of attraction between them. The molecules in solids move through vibration, and they are very close to each other. They are compressed, so solids can keep their size and shape. Solids have definite shape and volume. If you take a block of wood and put it first in a pail with water and then in a plastic bag, you will see that its size and shape do not change. Examples of solids are stone, wood, pencil, scissors, book, chair, and bag. Solids also have special properties. Hardness is the property of solid to resist scratching or abrasion. For example, we can use a fingernail to scratch a piece of chalk. If the chalk can be scratched, we describe the chalk as soft and the fingernail that scratches it as hard. Diamond is the hardest material on Earth. This is the reason why diamonds are used to cut other materials such as glass and tiles. Malleability is the ability of materials to be pressed, hammered, or rolled into various shapes and sizes without breaking. Observe a gold ring or a pair of earrings. Gold can be molded and hammered into different shapes without being broken. Gold is malleable. Brittleness is the tendency of a material to be easily broken into pieces. What do you think will happen to a glass when you drop it accidentally? The glass will surely break into pieces. The glass that breaks into pieces exhibits brittleness. Can you name other brittle materials? Elasticity is the property of solid materials to be stretched when pressure is applied on them. Some solids, like rubber bands, are elastic. You can stretch a rubber band to twice its length when pressure is applied. The rubber band will go back to its original length and shape when the pressure is removed. A thin wire can stretch a little if you hang weight on the wire. If the weight is not too heavy, the wire will return to its original length when the weight is removed. Strength. Metals are used to construct buildings, bridges, and roads because they are very strong. Iron and steel are examples of metals that are used to support buildings and other structures. They are also used for making steel chairs and cabinets. Solids made of strong materials do not wear out easily. Liquids. Compared to molecules of solids, the molecules in liquids are farther apart from each other. The force of attraction among the molecules is weak. They always move, roll, slide, or bump each other. This is the reason why liquids can change shape. Liquids take the shape of their container. Other characteristics of liquids. Fill a 1-liter jar with water. Then, remove about half of the water from the container. Pour the water back to the jar. This shows that water takes up a definite amount of space. Liquids have definite volume, but no definite shape. Liquids expand when heated. Their molecules move faster and the space between the molecules increases. When the liquids are cooled, they contract. Liquids may dissolve some solids. When sugar is placed in water, it melts or dissolves. Sugar breaks up in water and spreads out. Some liquids, like water, flow easily. Other liquids like oil flow very slowly. Liquids that flow very slowly are described as viscous. Viscosity is the resistance of liquid to flow. This is because the molecules in a viscous material are strongly attached to each other. Which flows easily? Evaporated milk or condensed milk? The condensed milk, which does not flow easily, is more viscous than evaporated milk, which flows easily. Gases. In gases, the molecules are farther apart compared to those of liquids. The molecules bounce off and move in every direction. The force of attraction between the molecules is too weak to hold them close. Take a closed, half-filled bottle of perfume. Now, remove the top cover. Can you smell the scent of the perfume? The molecules of the perfume spread out and fill the room, and soon everyone inside the room can smell the scent of the perfume. The attraction among molecules of any gas is weak, so they can change both their shape and volume. Air is an example of gas. Air is colorless, tasteless, and invisible. Air can be squeezed or compressed. As you press the balloon, it feels harder and occupies a smaller space. Air can be pushed from both sides, left and right. Moreover, air has heaviness. This heaviness is also called weight. Examples of gases are oxygen, carbon dioxide, and liquefied petroleum gas, LPG.